Welcome back to another video. Today we have a recon notice and we do have new tools coming out from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you can help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos, make more videos like this. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Pretty much the recall, it's pretty simple. I know it's already been out there. Here's the picture. It says to the Harbor Freight community, writing to apologize to reach out and tell you about Harbor Freight's commitment, quality of investments. It says a few months ago we recalled Pittsburg 3-ton, 6-ton steel jack stands due to manufacturer's defects. Asked customers to return and received gift card, purchase a replacement jack stands. If I felt terrible, they recall because you should never be have a concern about safety in our products. Alright, today I feel even worse, disappointed, embarrassed because we identified welding defect on a small. There's a lot of pictures going on right now that there's one that's split, and pretty much they're recalling all the jack stands. It's only one that I know of that's split. I've had no problems with mine. I have the older gray ones. I haven't heard of anybody else's splitting on the welds. But then again, if you feel that you don't want the jack stands anymore, or you don't feel safe using them, just return them. Or if you have any of these numbers here, that the serial numbers or SKUs, 56371, 61196, 61197, and others that they list down here, 56371, 56372, and 57308, and then we got some more. So basically all the jack stands they're just recalling back, and they just want to make sure they got the right product out there for the person or for the customer. I do think that Harbor Freight's putting an effort. They're losing a lot of money by doing this, so they are putting a lot of money, a lot of effort in this. So making sure that we got the right products out there so everybody's safe. But if you do have any of these jack stands, make sure you take them back. And I guess he's actually wants to give us cash for them. So he doesn't care if he's giving out store credit or cash. So that's a good thing. We have invested our Pittsburg 3-ton jack stands SKUs, as well as the Pittsburg 6-ton jack stands. Did not find a defect out towards these other jack stands being recalled. You own any of them, have concern whatsoever, please bring them back and we'll find you full cash refund for those as well. So that's pretty much what they said. I'm not going to read the whole thing because obviously that'll take a long time, but that's pretty much what it says. If you don't feel safe, some of these already, they said that these are okay, but who knows if you want to take them back. It's up to you. Me, I have mine, and I'm going to keep mine because they are great. Haven't had any problems with mine, so mine are fine. I already tested. I already did whatever they said that, the lever, the biting teeth. I checked the welds, everything. Mine are perfect. So, and I used them so far. I actually have 2 pairs. I have an older pair. Actually, I have 6 of them total. I have first 4 are the orange ones. I have them in a vehicle. They've been there for years. And then I have two gray ones that I bought. They have been fine, no problems. But if you feel unsafe, here's another picture here. It says recall. It says jack stands can be identified by checking the number. There's a number right here by the lever. There's a sticker running sideways with the arrow. And same thing on the Pittsburg, on the old 6 jack stands. There's another sticker here you guys can check out with the number, the item number there. So always make sure you check out and you have the right item number, or check out your jack stands. Make sure there's nothing wrong with any equipment, not just Harbor Freight. If you're, obviously if you're purchasing some jack stands and from other companies or whatnot, it doesn't hurt to just give it a quick, quick inspection. Make sure everything's well on that. All right. Next to the second part of this video, which is the new tools from Harbor Freight. We're here at the Harbor Freight section. I didn't just make this video out of just new tools because there's not a lot of new tools, but yeah, we got some Bauer some Bauer, and some Hercules. All right, the first one we have is Chief. We got the Professional Medium Barrel Air Hammer, $39.99. You can tell Harbor Freight stepping it up with the quality. I believe these are Air tools. So this is Professional Medium Barrel Hammer, $39.99. Let's see here. We got lightweight, cast aluminum body, pistol grip handle, durable heavy duty construction, 2 5/8 stroke, 4.0 CFM, 3,500 BPM. Compact design with medium barrel, longer life treated, heat treated piston. And you got another picture there. It's an example of how you can use this. Basically, it's an air hammer. That's what it is, and you can use it to get rivets out or anything that's needed and break concrete or whatnot. So basically, like a hammer drill, but just an air hammer. Well, actually, this is not the next one. This was the next one. You got some solar lights decorations here for the garden. Solar light LED pathway lights, 2-pack, $19.99. So then again, $10 a light. A 2-pack basically for $20. I'm pretty sure they're gonna offer like coupons or 20% off on these. But yeah, they look pretty decent, pretty good, better quality than the others. Hopefully this is metal, because usually the plastic ones just give out real quick. Let's see here. We got works 12.5 hours on full charge. It says solar powered, auto on and off, bronze finish, edition style lights, weather resistant. My guess is probably they're plastic. Hopefully they're the good plastic, because I know there's a plastic that it just gets hot and they just break. You know, they just tip them over and just break. So see, you got 2 solar LED pathway lights. Work same thing, just solar powered LED. That's the way it looks from the top. That's what it will look with the pathway there, decoration. All right, let's go to the next item. Next item, we got some tools, guys. We got Hercules. We got a 2.4 amp corded half-inch or one quarter sheet pump finish sander. It does have 5 stars. One somebody already has it, I guess. $49.99. As you guys see, pretty nice design. It is a corded version, so not the cordless. Unfortunately, that's what we're waiting for, the cordless. I don't know why they keep making corded. Because it's maybe cheaper. But anyways, you got a nice rubber design here on the top. You got the bag here on the back. You got the clip here. You could just push it and release, I guess release the bag. Let's see, we got some more side views here. You got on and off on the front. And that is the bag discharge. And that's the bottom. Pretty much that's what it will look like. And then again, we got another picture of other tools that are coming from Hercules there. So yeah, we got a whole bunch of tools. If you guys want me to make a video separate on these tools, let me know, and we'll do another video on that. Here's another corded tool. This is the 3 amp corded 5-inch variable speed random orbital sanders, $59.99. Basically the same thing as the other one. This one's just orbital sander. So it's pretty much, that's the difference between these. The other one's a square. Powerful 3 amp variable speed motor, delivers up to 13 OPM, variable speed 6P dial. Rubber over mold grip, universal dust port, 8-hole dustpan collection system. Universal hookup and load pad, compact design. Let's see here. It does have those little suction holes there for the vacuum. I guess that's the variable, the speed trigger right there. So $59.99, like I said, they're gonna have coupons out there. We got a new Bauer tool here, 20-volt Hypermax lithium 6-inch cordless buffer polisher. You know what, guys? I've been trying to find something like this. I don't know if I wanted to go with another brand or with Bauer. I was hoping Hercules will come out with something like this. because I needed something that's going to be well worth it, you know, something strong. But then again, this power has always been good, especially if you're a DIY. So I'm thinking about getting something like this to polish up the car and just give it some nice polish on the truck, because I have a black truck. They're horrible to keep up clean. Got the Bauer Build Up Your Own Kits, 20% off. You know, if you guys don't know, Bauer and Hercules, they are running this deal, which if you buy a tool, you buy a battery, and you buy a charger, you get $20 off on the Bauer. I believe on Hercules, you get $25 off. So you basically get a free chargers and, you know, a little bit off the battery there too, or a free battery, whatever you want to put it into. But yeah, they're announcing the bigger batteries here, if you guys see. So this is the smaller one, and then this is the 3 amp hour battery that we already have, and I believe this should be the 5 or the 8, one of those two. It doesn't really say what it is. And then we have a fast charger, and then the old regular charger there, which is real slow, by the way, but it works. You know, it's fine. I use mine and it works. So that's it for that. Then we got a 32-inch siphon feed spray gun, $29.99. Let's see here. Looks pretty good quality. Not for use with latex paints, long life seals, removable fluid nozzle, air diffuser, ergonomic knobs for precise precise control, suitable for low viscosity paints, lacquers, and stains, urethanes, lightweight aluminum construction, $29.99. That's pretty much the pictures there. They look pretty nice on pictures. And then here, what is this? This is tire chuck with lock lever. Nice. So you can inflate. And then we have a hand-controlled drone. I don't know if we went this over last time. I believe not. So we have a hand-controlled drone. This is 360 degree flips. Tricks with just a flick of a wrist. Operating range of 50 meters. So I guess this is the remote control here. Pretty simple. My guess is probably just a small one. That's the battery, and that's I guess that's the to charge it, I guess. Anyways, we already went over these tools. If you want to check out that video, go to my channel, Toolhead147, and look at the videos. Had the new tool videos. I always do make new tool videos. That's it for today. Don't forget to stay tuned for Tool Review Tuesday. So hopefully I can get a video up for this Tuesday. Don't forget to hit the like button to help out the channel. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.